In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use photographic styles here on your iPhone. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment so I can help you out further down there. But first things first, go ahead and open up your settings app and then just go up at the very top and type in camera just like so. It's going to load for a second, but go ahead and select the camera settings, specifically the camera control settings, and then go back one. And you're going to see an app settings section for photographic styles. Tap on it and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. Hit get started. And then what you're going to want to do is choose 4 different pictures. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and choose these 4 right here. After you select those, hit continue. And now you can actually swipe between styles. You're going to have standard, rich contrast, vibrant, warm, and then of course you're also going to have cool as well. And it's going to kind of apply that filter onto your camera roll and kind of show you which looks better. For example, if you choose something like amber, for example, it's going to make every single photo look a little bit brighter, but also have punchier colors. If you ever do want to switch, just come back, pick another style, or even just return to standard if you don't really want any special effect. But that's it. That's how you can use photographic styles here on an iPhone. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.